Hello everyone, welcome back to A to B Vibes. In today's Linux Part 7, we are learning Crontab, one of the most powerful ways to automate tasks in Linux. Let's start it. Okay, see now let's see already any cron job is working in your Linux system. To verify that, we have command called crontab -l. Okay, enter. So for this particular user, like there is already crontab is there. So basically Crontab L will list all the existing cron jobs for the current user. If no cron jobs exist, it will show empty. If there, like it will display like this. So let's create another cron job with automation script. Okay, let's create one shell file backup.sh. Okay, fine. Insert mode, bin bash, enter, and let's give the message echo in the string. So I'll tell you what we are trying to achieve with the cron job. Okay, and we are appending this. So to know about this, like what does this means, you please refer to my previous lectures. I have explained what that mean. Okay, backup.log. Okay, now let's save this file. What is happening? Let me explain. First of all, there should be only one. First of all, there should be only one ash. So I have removed one. Okay, and here the echo message is like backup started at date. This is the default Linux command. Date is the Linux command, and we are saying dollars to print this value. Okay, into this log I mean backup into this backup.log. Okay, fine. Let's save this. Escape wq:/wq, enter. Right. So let's check the permission ls-l. So for permission also, I have created a previous lecture videos. Please go through that. And let's grant the permission ch mode. So how to check the permission is there? So execute is not there, so there is no permission. +x backup.sh, enter. Let's verify again. Permission is there. Okay, now what happens? Let's execute this shell backup.sh. Right. So what happens? It has executed that shell script ls-l, and it has created backup.log. Before, if you see, if I enter ls-l, there is no backup.log. But in our shell script, in the shell file, we have mentioned that please, whenever we are executing this file, that log should be appended to this backup.log. That's how it worked. Now, see, for every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you need to run this file. So how you need to do? Every time you go manually and you will trigger this, you will execute this file, right? So in order to overcome this, there is a concept called cron job. Okay, cron tab. I mean, in fact, cron job. It's a mathematical thing which we use in the Linux servers to set, like, this file should run, this backup.sh should run every minute or every uh, 5 minutes or 1 hour, weekly, monthly, that kind of. I'll explain you the structure, like how the cron job will run, and we can set accordingly. So let me open the notepad. Okay, let me open the notepad for you and explain how crontab will work. Okay, so basically crontab will work with minute, hour, week, okay, and day of week. So let's see. There are 5 stars in crontab pattern. So first star is equal to minute. Okay. Okay. Second star is equal to hour, and the third star is equal to day of month. Fourth one is month, right? And the fifth star is equal to day of week. So this represents minute, hour, okay, day of month. Let me open that and click on this first link. You can see this URL you need to be accessed, and here let's give star space star space star space star. Okay, and you can see every minute. That means this value will work every minute. Star means every minute. You can see here, click on next. So this date it will run on 18th 28th minute and 18th 29th minute. So that is how it will work. If I change this minute to 5, so what I am trying to say, every 5 minutes please run my job. In fact, like every hour it should run this format. So if I change like any particular hour, you want it 13, right? 13 means 1 o'clock, right? 1 p.m. So it will run 1 5 1 5 on the next day. Okay, on the next day, on the next day, 1 5. So that is how you can change the Crontab settings. For now, we will give every minute. Okay, every minute. Let's go to terminal. Here, let's set the cron job for this. Hope you understand the syntax of cron job. Now to check the cron job, we have called Crontab -e. E means edit. Okay, edit, enter. So already we have one Crontab. So let's create a one more. Okay, insert, enter, enter. So star, right? As I said, minute, hour, month, week, day of week, right? Slash home slash dollar user. Okay, user is a variable in Linux. Okay, means so currently to get the user. So wherever you run this file, it should automatically get the variable value. So previous lectures we have covered about variables in the Linux shell script. Please go through that video. You will get better picture in variables. Okay, now dollar user backup.sh, right? So let's save this wq, enter. Now what happens is, you can see, let me ls-l and let's see cat backup.log, enter. Now you can see there is only one line, right? So after 1 minute, let's see again the same cat backup.log. It should have another line. Okay. Now you can see it has run for 2 times, and every minute, as we have set a cron job, it has run for 2 times, and you can see it has copied, I mean injected the value of that shell script, which is backup.sh to log file. As we said, inject the value, inject the output, I mean output which we are getting in this command, to pass to backup.log. So that is how it has displayed. So every minute it will run the cron. So same thing we will set up for every 5 minutes. Now we have set up for 1 minute, right? Every minute we have set up, but we will set up it for 5 minutes. So to do that, same we have one same command cron tab -e in edit mode, enter, and let's insert mode I5. Okay, so basically what it does, like it will run daily 5 a.m. Okay, it will not this one, in fact. So to do this, we'll just give this 0 and 5. This will run for 5 a.m. in the morning. Okay, same thing you can give like 10, which will run at 10 a.m. in the morning. 5 represent the hour, which is I'm highlighting. 5 represent the hour, and this is minute. Okay, 5 a.m. it will run. So same way we can set that to like this runs every Sunday at midnight. We can set like midnight in the Sunday. We can give the stars. Now let's see these two stars. Okay, will represent month, and let's give 0, 0, star, and 0. Okay. Now what this is, this runs every Sunday at midnight. Okay, let me copy this. Copy and paste in the cron group. You can see at 00, that means 12 a.m. on Sunday it will run. Fine. So that is how cron job will work, and same we will run for every 10 minutes. For that you just need to give star/10, and this will be star, means star. Same I'll show you in cron job group. Enter. Every 10th minute it will run. Okay, 1840, 1850, 19, 1910, like that. It will execute every 10th minute. Okay, so this is how cron job will work. Escape, WQ, enter, and so you can see like we have created cron tab -l to verify. So we have cron tab set already. To remove this, what we need to remove, right? So cron tab -r, enter. Now it has removed. To verify, L, no cron tab for Ravi, means the user does not have any cron jobs. So this is how you need to create, remove, and delete, and we need to verify the execution and remove the cron jobs. Crontab is a must known skill of Linux admins and DevOps engineers. So if you want more knowledge on this, and if you want me to deep dig into this cron tab, please comment below on this video, or any other Linux topic also is fine. Please comment below so I can explain that video. I can explain, pick the topic and explain clearly in real time, like what real time uses, and I will give like more knowledge on that command or shell scripting or any concept in the Linux that will help you. Thank you so much. Let's see in part 8. Thank you.